Let's bust a big myth. Is animal-based protein really better than plant-based? Let's break it down fast. Protein is crucial for every cell, muscle, and organ in your body. Animal proteins like eggs, chicken, beef, and fish are complete proteins. That means they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make. Plant proteins like beans, lentils, and quinoa are usually incomplete and less bioavailable. Your body absorbs animal protein more easily. That's called bioavailability. Animal protein is packed with lysine for muscle growth, plus key nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3s. Plant proteins are still great for fiber and antioxidants. Just mix them up for a complete profile. Bottom line, animal protein is complete, efficient, and supports your body in ways plant proteins sometimes can't. But balance is key. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more myth-busting nutrition tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.